Hi guys, we're back in Mason's kitchen. Today we'll be doing garlic chili chicken, and there are the ingredients. More chipotle.
Yay!
Sorry guys, last time I got it mixed up because I couldn't really pronounce it. Sorry about that one. Now, you always need to get best man's butter, and then you always have to be careful and with knives because you can cut yourself. Now, always put it down like that, and that's why some bits do not really cut. That's why you always have to be careful, because you can notice that it's not cut and you're like, oh, I'm going to quickly do that, and if you go too fast you might cut your fingers. That's why you always have to be careful. Now the garlic is done. Now we have to prepare the garlic and we have to put it into the pan. Now I'm going to put it into the pan. I can't really reach, but there we go. Some always get stuck onto your hands, that's why always make sure to knock it off into the pan. Okay, we've done that. Now we have to wash our hands because they can get pretty sticky. Okay, nearly done now. Really nice day in the Great Bar today. Okay, done with that. Always turn the tap off. Now you have to put the gas on medium, not too high. Okay, now we have to put it on. This.
Yep.
That is not too high now. I think that side's working, I don't know. Looks like only that side's working, but actually
No, probably.
it's probably because the sun's reflecting on it and it's covering the flame. That's why if you child and you let your dad do or your mom turn it on and it looks like there's no flame and the sun's reflecting on it, kids always do not touch it. Let your parents put the hand there and see if warmness is coming through. You can hear the butter is melting now. Now today we'll always have, because we have to get 3 of these. Put them in. Put those in. That's why you always quickly turn the pan back, or else you can get it on your hands. Like spit can really hurt, when it spits, because all of that gas, when it spits, because when butter melts, it gets really, really, really hot really quickly. That's why it can burn your skin if you're not careful. Now I'm just going to throw the packet away. You guys are probably thinking, where have the other 2 chickens gone? They've gone in a plastic package, so then they do not go out, because you can't just leave the chickens sitting there, because that can go out of date. The tongs are back on the road. Now we have to flip our chicken. Right, so. That's on the inside. There we go. It's always the last one which always gets me on my... Put the chip oatly. It's got me on my... It's annoying me again about this chipotole. That's a bit too much, isn't it?
That's fine to
The most important thing with chicken, you always have to wait until it cooks the whole way through. We've just flipped the chicken over now. We quickly put in the chipotole, so then it wouldn't be like a long time, but you guys, you saw me put it in. That's why that's gone into that drawer. Now we'll be waiting for that to cook, and yeah. Okay, you always have to keep on flipping over your chicken, and you guys are probably wondering why, because so then it gets all of that butter and garlic, so then you can really taste the flavour of it, and that's why the bottom bit's cooking now, and then they'll have to flip it over again, because you guys are probably thinking the one which is facing me is cooked. No, it's not cooked. Okay, now this is what it looks like when it's done. My dad is having 2 and I'm having 1. It looks like I've had 2, but actually no, I've had 1. And thank you guys for watching Mason's Kitchen. And if we do a cook tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.